Welcome back, Crammers, to question 13. The shaded region in the diagram is bounded by three lines. Let's call this R. The equation of one of the lines is given. Write down the three inequalities that define the shaded region. So this line is already given. We still have to find this line and this line. So here we can see that this is a straight line on the x-axis. So we can see here that it's 0. This is negative 2. So in between that must be negative 1. So x is equal to negative 1. Here, for the other line, we can see that y, when y is negative 2, x is negative 2. And same for here. When y is 0, x is also 0. And here, when y is 6, x is equal to 6. So we can just say that y is equal to x. When finding the shaded region, we either have less than equal to or greater than equal to. Why is that? Because when we have a graph, the top rightmost, which is positive, is either up or to the right. And the bottom leftmost, which is negative, is either down or to the left. Let's see how this works. So let's start with the easiest one. X is equal to negative 1. We can see that R, or the shaded region, is to the right of x minus 1. So when it's to the right, this is greater than equal to. So when x is greater than equal to negative 1. Okay, let's move on to the next one. When y is equal to x, we can see that it goes up. So we can write here, y is greater than equal to x. And here, the other equations are already given. X plus 2y is equal to 8. But we can see that it goes down. So this must be less than equal to. So x plus 2y is less than equal to 8. And that is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.